Did you know that every time you step into an airport, you're walking through a carefully orchestrated world of hidden secrets that airlines desperately hope you'll never discover? What I'm about to reveal will completely change how you see air travel forever, and by the end of this video, you'll have insider knowledge that could save you thousands of dollars and make your flying experience infinitely better. I'm going to expose 8 shocking secrets that airlines have been keeping from passengers for decades, and trust me, some of these will absolutely blow your mind. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're constantly uncovering travel secrets that the industry doesn't want you to know. Let's start with the most mind-blowing secret of all. Airlines actually have ghost flights that operate with 0 passengers, and they're happening right above your head every single day. These phantom flights exist because airlines need to maintain their valuable airport slots, especially at congested airports like Heathrow or JFK. If they don't use these slots, they lose them forever, so they literally fly empty planes to keep their rights to those time slots. During the pandemic, this practice became so widespread that thousands of completely empty jets were burning fuel just to maintain scheduling rights. What's even more shocking is that you're indirectly paying for these wasteful flights through higher ticket prices. Secret number 2 will make you question everything you thought you knew about airline pricing. The moment you search for a flight on an airline's website, they start tracking your behavior with sophisticated algorithms. These systems monitor how many times you visit, what routes you're searching, and even what device you're using. If the algorithm detects that you're desperately searching for a specific flight repeatedly, it can actually increase the price in real time. This dynamic pricing manipulation means you could literally watch a flight price increase by hundreds of dollars just because you searched for it too many times. The solution? Always browse in incognito mode and clear your cookies frequently. Here's where it gets really sneaky. Airlines have a secret inventory system that most passengers never learn about. They deliberately hold back their best seats and only release them at specific times to maximize revenue. That economy seat you're eyeing might suddenly become available at a lower price just 24 hours before departure, but only if the airline's algorithm determines they need to fill the plane. Meanwhile, they're simultaneously offering those same seats to their loyalty program members or selling them as last-minute upgrades. This means regular passengers are essentially playing a rigged game where the rules constantly change without warning. Secret number 4 involves something called weight and balance manipulation that could affect your safety and comfort. Airlines know the exact weight distribution they need for optimal fuel efficiency, and they'll move passengers around without telling them why. That random gate change or seat reassignment isn't always about overbooking. Sometimes they're strategically relocating passengers to achieve perfect weight balance, especially on smaller aircraft. They'd rather inconvenience you than burn extra fuel, and they're certainly not going to explain their fuel optimization strategies to confused passengers. Now, here's something that will shock you about airline maintenance. There are 2 completely different standards for aircraft maintenance depending on whether you're flying domestically or internationally. International flights often have more stringent maintenance requirements because they're governed by different regulatory bodies. This means the same aircraft might receive different levels of inspection and care based solely on where it's flying. Airlines rotate their newer, better-maintained aircraft on premium international routes, while using older planes with less frequent maintenance cycles for domestic flights. They're betting that passengers will never research these maintenance differences. Secret number 5 reveals how airlines manipulate your perception of time and delay responsibility. When airlines announce departure delays, they often blame air traffic control, weather, or other external factors, but the reality is much more complex. Airlines strategically schedule flights with unrealistic timing because they know certain routes always face delays. They build these delays into their profit calculations while publicly blaming circumstances beyond their control. This allows them to avoid paying compensation while maintaining artificially competitive schedule times that look appealing during booking. Here's a psychological manipulation technique that airlines use to influence your spending behavior. Airport terminal layouts are designed like casinos, with no clocks, confusing pathways, and strategic placement of shops and restaurants. Airlines work directly with airport retailers to create a captive audience environment where stressed, time-conscious passengers make impulsive purchases. The duty-free shops aren't just convenient shopping options. They're carefully planned psychological traps designed to extract maximum revenue from passengers who feel like they have time to kill. The seventh secret involves how airlines handle passenger data and personal information. Every interaction you have with an airline, from booking preferences to complaint history, gets stored in detailed customer profiles that affect your future travel experience. If you've complained multiple times or requested compensation, you might find yourself mysteriously experiencing more inconveniences like middle seat assignments or delayed boarding. Airlines use this data to categorize passengers as profitable or problematic, and they adjust service levels accordingly. Your passenger profile follows you across different booking platforms and can even affect how customer service representatives interact with you. Here is number 3. TSA and airport manipulate your emotions. Dim lighting, soft carpets. These cozy touches make travelers feel more at ease, reducing stress, and anxiety. Studies show that calm passengers spent 6 to 9% more in duty-free stores, so that comfy lounge area. It's a carefully crafted psychological trip. And here's another mind-blowing fact. Airports intentionally blocking distance is longer designing terminals in a way that forces passengers to pass as many shops as possible. Your suitcase check-in, but have you ever wondered what happens next? The truth is, once it leaves the check-in counter, even airport staff don't track it. Your bag is sorted by machines using barcode scanners to send it to its destination, but luggage disasters happen every day here. What could go wrong is that it moves too slowly. It misses your connecting flight. It moves too fast. Your bag gets to your destination before you. Do you forget an old luggage sticker? Your bag could end up in a completely different country. Track your luggage. Always take a picture of your bag at check-in. If it's lost, having a photo helped staff find it faster. Also use an AirTag or GPS tracker. Many travelers have recovered lost luggage this way. Finally, here's the most outrageous secret of all. Airlines have emergency protocols that they practice regularly but never discuss publicly. Flight crews train for scenarios involving unruly passengers, medical emergencies, and even potential security threats. But they're instructed to maintain an appearance of calm normalcy at all times. What's shocking is that some of these protocols involve making decisions about passenger safety and comfort that prioritize operational efficiency over individual passenger rights. Flight attendants have extensive training on crowd control and passenger management that goes far beyond serving drinks and demonstrating safety procedures. The real kicker is that airlines spend millions of dollars annually on research to understand passenger psychology and behavior patterns. They know exactly which announcements make passengers more compliant, how to minimize compensation requests, and which amenities provide the illusion of value without significant cost. Every aspect of your flying experience, from boarding music to seat fabric colors, has been carefully tested and optimized to influence your emotions and spending decisions. Now that you know these 8 incredible secrets, you'll never look at air travel the same way again. Airlines count on passenger ignorance to maintain their profit margins. But armed with this knowledge, you can make smarter travel decisions and potentially save significant money on future flights. If this video opens your eyes to the hidden world of airline operations, smash that like button and subscribe for more travel secrets that the industry doesn't want you to discover. What shocked you most about these revelations? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how we can use this insider knowledge to become smarter travelers.